In the following video, I'll show you how Tubbo transforms from a cool and shady cover for the hottest days to a sturdy shelter that will protect you from the coldest temperatures and the most extreme climate. During summer, Tubbo provides pleasant shade thanks to its double-tinted polycarbonate, insulating air chamber, adjustable shades, water mist cooling system, and its powerful fans. However, when it starts to get cooler and you feel like warming up, you can close the windows and remove the shades to make the most of the sun's greenhouse effect, turning your Tubbo into a comfortable and bright solarium. When bad weather arrives, Tubbo transforms into a cozy winter shelter thanks to its powerful heating systems. There are 3 options: pellet stove, overhead, and underfloor infrared systems. All 3 options can be combined with each other, circulating heat with fans. All the equipment can be controlled remotely from your cell phone with a simple voice command or from the hand controls from within your Tubbo. Finally, if your location does not have many hot days, you may prefer a fully transparent Tubbo for an even more authentic outdoor experience.